So what's a smart cap?
It's a cap that has some wearable technology built in.
Okay.
And it measures your alertness and fatigue.
If anybody wants to get into wearable technology now, it's really the best time to understand it because it's just a treasure trove of opportunity.
So this is where the module goes. Right now it's remote controlled.
Okay.
When you think of job opportunities, the possibilities are going to be endless. Companies are expecting exponential growth.
Find your passion and you can find a way to help enable technology.
Would you like a career in wearable technology? We talked with some experts and innovators to get an inside look into this revolutionary new industry.
There's 3 really cool categories for wearable technologies that are showing more interest in consumer products. This is healthcare, sports, and lifestyle. With healthcare, we can lower costs in the hospital with smart patches and monitoring. With sports and fitness, a lot of professional players are using wearables to get ahead of their competition. And lastly, lifestyle is important because people are wearing their identity in a new way. And this is thanks to social media and this new evolution of the younger generation.
Here is our interdigitated supercapacitor, as if it was knitted inside. But you can see it's been incorporated into an entire shirt.
Integrating technology, fashion, and function is creating new jobs overnight. Imagine the opportunities available developing the next generation of wearables.
There's going to be 2 million open jobs by 2020, unfilled open jobs that are related to this field and to the broader advanced manufacturing field.
If you think about a few years from now, how will jobs change? Wearables will be infused throughout our job and industry market.
Everything from designers and industrial designers, product developers, software developers, business development teams, marketing, go-to-market strategy, it's all in here.
In order to actually get from this shirt to the machine, we have to use a computer software.
There's all these different disciplines. When you go into something that's a wearable technology, you have to start considering how is it going to be built? What are we going to do with it? And then on top of it, you now have to add electronics to it. Because when you put on your shirt today, it's not very smart. But when you put on your shirt in the future, it's going to be a lot smarter.
In a fast-moving industry like this, companies will be looking for young people with adaptable skills and creative minds.
The ideal employee is someone who can grow into anything else that that company or that employer needs to have done over time. But a multi-skilled person, a multi-skilled technician or a designer or an engineer that can help them solve the problems they don't even know they have yet, that's really the best person for any type of employer that's out there right now.
What I love the best is actually getting out and problem solving. So if something was supposed to work a certain way and it doesn't, figuring out why it didn't work. So is it a math problem? Did somebody calculate it wrong? Is it a chemistry problem? And problem solving, for me, that's really exciting.
That's the person that's going to be successful. They see a problem, they see a possible solution, and they drive for it. Those are the type of people that industry wants and those who will be successful in the business world ultimately.
We came up with $100,000 through personal investment or friends, family, outside investors.
Having an entrepreneurial spirit is also helpful. Many wearable tech companies are startups that began with just an idea.
It's a sticker that you can wear on the skin. You can use it to unlock your phone, you can program it to do all sorts of things.
Don't expect every idea to turn into a commercial application. For every idea that gets up, there's probably 100 ideas that doesn't get up. But it doesn't mean that you stop trying, you've got to keep trying.
It's really to find your passion and to think about your idea. So no idea is a bad idea.
I've created this new company called Diva Designers.
And if you think, oh, I could make that better or I could make that faster, it really helps.
You can be an entrepreneur in a big company or a small company. But having a sense of being innovative, being creative, being entrepreneurial, that's a real value to companies.
So is it reading me right now?
Yes. So what we have inside is technology like this.
Okay.
It's got 5 sensors telling me whether you're tired or not.
Follow your passion. Don't limit yourself, and age has nothing to do with it. So at any point in time, if you have a passion, just pursue that passion.
Don't think that you have to decide what you're going to do for the rest of your life. Just decide what you're going to do tomorrow. Decide what you're going to do this year, and then be open to all the opportunities and the possibilities that are going to unfold ahead of you once you start down that path.